Today is the 26th of July, Kargil Vijay Diwas. On this day, we remember our 550 plus martyrs who laid down their lives defending the honor of the nation on the icy Kargil heights. Names like Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra. Names like Major Manoj Pandey, Paramveer Chakra, and so many other gallant bravehearts who died, but they did not let the flag down. Today we remember them with a great sense of gratitude, and they have honored the nation. If this flag flutters, it is not because of the breeze, because it is because of the last breath of our martyrs. That's what keeps our flag waving high with pride. I am from the Veterans India organization, and every year we celebrate Martyrs Day, Kargil Vijay Diwas. This year we are having a Kargil Parakram Parade in New Delhi. We'll wind up at the JNU, which is supposed to be otherwise the den of sedition. But I'm very happy to state that the children there have been very responsive. I'm deeply touched by Colonel Piyush Agrawal's efforts that he has made to sensitize the youth of the Kota town and the people of Kota town to the valor and sacrifice of the armed forces, to respect our martyrs, to inculcate the values of nationalism and patriotism. And I'm deeply, deeply impressed to learn about the EDGE Institute that he is running to coach the children for entering the armed forces, for becoming officers in our three services. I think he's doing a yeoman service. Kudos to him, kudos to his dedicated family and his two boys, who I understand are following their dad's footsteps and joining the armed forces. Jai Hind, and God bless you all.